welcome to my CS50P final project music quiz. Hi, I'm Michael, and for my final project of the CS50P course, I have built a project that tests your music knowledge in a fun and interactive way. I covered a variety of genres from rock and pop to hip-hop, rap and more. The data I'm using for the quiz is gathered from iTunes. This initial delay of around 50 seconds is due to the multiple requests sent to iTunes at the beginning. Lesson 4 of the CS50 course was one of my most favorite parts for me, because I learned about accessing iTunes data through requests, and I wanted to use this knowledge in my final project. To store the data returned from iTunes API, I've used SQLite. I never used it before, but I have been learning MySQL at the same time as taking this course, and therefore I was excited when I found out about its application as a simpler Python library. The project is organized into classes mainly for the questions and functions which I use to gather the data, initiate the classes and interpret results. I wrote several versions of this code, trying out fully procedural and fully object-oriented code, and found the balanced approach the most suitable. Questions are dynamically generated to keep the quiz challenging and enjoyable. Even if you run the quiz multiple times, you will get different questions every time. There are always 10 questions generated. Answer of each question is accompanied by score update based on correct answers. The final score is interpreted with personalized messages for the participant. Thank you so much for watching and hope you have a great day.